Hello my friends, best greetings from Turkey, from province Mugla, from city Mugla, and I am sitting here on the coast of the sea, Mediterranean Sea, in Turkish coast. By the way, I'm visiting, by the way, International Beekeeping Congress APISLAVIA in Turkey 2014 in November, and today November 6th. Yeah, wonderful day. Somewhere it will be November 7th. Very stupid day, but here it's so quiet indeed. So quiet, sunny and very pleasant place. And you see now it's not a season because it's winter for some people from northern areas, but in general here it's like a summer, 23 degree and 21-22 degree for temperature for sea. So you see this coast pretty calm today. No noise. In the morning time some birds are singing here, some grasshoppers singing. So here very quiet. Butterflies flying around, bees, bumblebees, huge size, flying here around in winter time. So it's Turkish summer like spring somewhere in Ukraine. So that's why I'm really inviting you to visit wonderful place, this wonderful Turkish resorts on this coast near Mugla, in this Mugla Province. So the view just this is so wonderful. Some islands and this coast, Mugla Province coast, looks really nice. Now with some small mountains, not very small, some paratroopers were jumping, were flying and were coming here down near the hotel to enjoy life. Together with instructor paratroopers who enjoy life. So they are just not military paratroopers, they are tourists, by the way. So if you want to be tourist, paratroopers, diver, sorry, not driver. It's a fisher or just lazy person sitting here on the coast. Welcome to Turkey, enjoy yourself. And watch my channel for beekeeping news from International Beekeeping Congress APISLAVIA. Enjoy yourself, write comments under this video and follow my channel to watch new videos, and I invite you to visit this place and to see it everything on your own eyes. And I'm going just to the sea on a small lovely stone. Well, now I'm staying on a stone and sending you best greetings. Watch my channel, follow my channel, and best greetings from Turkey, from Mugla. Good luck, see you soon. Press like and watch our news. Okay, good luck, best wishes to you from Turkey, from Mugla. See you soon.